Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with a Filipino classic that's simply unforgettable, Palitaw. Are you ready to dive into a world of sweet, chewy, and oh so satisfying goodness? Try Palitaw today. Let's start by toasting sesame seeds in a pan over low-medium heat. Cook the sesame seeds for 2 to 3 minutes until they are fragrant and turn golden brown. To ensure that the sesame seeds do not burn, move the seed around the pan every 30 seconds, making sure that they are evenly toasted. Set aside. In a bowl, place glutinous rice flour. Add water gradually while mixing. Do this manually, using your hands so you can feel the texture of the dough as it forms. Use gloved hands if planning to turn it into a business. Add water if needed if it's still dry or crumbly, until dough forms that is moist and smooth. Take a small piece of dough that will fit the palm of your hand and shape into a ball. Flatten the dough on your palm until it forms into an oval shape. The thickness will depend on your personal preference. Repeat this process with the remaining dough. Let me show it to you again how it's done. First, you shape into a ball, then flatten into an oval shape. You can also make variations of this dessert by adding purple yam flavoring. Arrange shaped dough in a pan with enough space to avoid sticking. Boil enough water in a pot to cook the palitaw in. When water starts to boil, drop flattened dough in batches of 3. Poach the palitaw for 1 to 2 minutes, or until it floats on top of the water. Remove the palitaw using a slotted spoon or strainer. Now you know why it is called palitaw, because it makes litaw. It's also called dila in other parts of the country, because of the shape of the sticky rice cake. Place the cooked dough in a flat container to keep its shape. Coat the patties with desiccated coconut or fresh grated coconut. Make sure that all sides are coated for full uncoconutty flavor. In a small bowl, mix in sugar and toasted sesame seeds. Mix well to incorporate. Serve as a merienda or sweet dessert after a hearty meal. Top with a generous heap of toasted sesame and sugar mixture for an unforgettable flavor experience. If you liked this video, don't forget to follow Amiable Foods for more recipes.